first time ever that I experience going by bus, but I don't know if this is going to Manama or what. I don't think so. This is my first experience here. Waiting for the bus. Time check 5:46 at afternoon here in Bahrain. Hopefully there is bus coming. And I am alone on this side waiting for the bus because I skip my transport. So ito ang nangyayari. Ito ang nangyayari na nag-skip sa transport. Nag-aantay ng bus. Baka may bus nga naman dadaan. O kung wala, ay di wala.